Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I thought we'd talk about something really simple but very useful. How to make any everyday simple outfit look a bit more polished and finished without feeling like we need brand new wardrobe. I think a lot of us, including me, assume that to look put together we need new clothes, more fashionable clothes, more expensive clothes. But actually, usually it's the little details, the accessories that can make any outfit look good and elevated. So today I will show you a few examples how I change and elevate my simple everyday outfits with little tweaks. And for me, it's usually the little accessories like scarves, blazers, nice structured handbag, a bit of color, and jewelry, of course, jewelry. You know, I wear jewelry every single day. I always have a piece of jewelry on me, even if it's just with my loungewear. Okay, let's start with this first outfit. You see me wearing variations of it all the time. This is like my uniform, especially for this time of year. So let's take just simple pair of wide leg jeans and a simple tank top and trainers. Yes, it looks fine. I could easily go out like that to run errands or do whatever, but I wouldn't. I would have to somehow elevate this look. So the first thing I would do is change the shoes. I love trainers and they can look funky and they are comfortable, but nice pointed ballet flat straight away makes you look a bit more put together. So I would put my pointed ballet flats on. The next thing, blazer. You should have loads of blazers in different colors, different fabrics, different lengths, different fit. They honestly can really make any outfit. So here I've just put one of my suit blazers. Actually, it's from a mango suit that I have. Of course, we're doing the trick with putting hair bubbles on the sleeves to gather the sleeves a bit, because I think that looks a bit more casual, because we still want to look casual. We are talking about simple outfits, casual outfits, not like going out outfits. And that straight away looks intentional. Now, jewelry. That's where jewelry comes in for me. It's one of those things that just makes any outfit finished. And I mostly wear Idyl jewelry. In the winter, I probably wear more chunky pieces because you wear more chunky clothing like sweaters, cardigans, and most things are quite high on the neck, so I feel like you need a bit chunkier jewelry to go with it, especially necklaces. Earrings, I wear Idyl earrings all year round. You can see me putting on the Layla necklace. This is probably my favorite everyday necklace. The chain has 3 settings, so I can wear it as a choker, I can wear it at this length or this length. So I love this because as a choker it sits right here. So even if I have something a bit higher on the neck, it still shows. Idyl jewelry is made and designed in Antwerp, the diamond capital of the world. They are made out of 14 karat gold and lab-grown diamonds. They are very high quality and it's something that never goes out of fashion. You can wear it with anything. Like I said, this little Layla I wear with my loungewear with anything. It's delicate enough, but it's so beautiful and sparkly. What I really like about them is the whole modular system. So, for example, when you buy earrings, you can just buy the studs first, the diamond studs, and then you buy add-ons. All the earrings are add-ons, so you only need to buy studs once and then you can choose different add-ons. It's almost like collecting stuff. The same with necklaces. You can buy just the chain and then all the pendants are add-ons. It's very similar story with the bracelets. I don't have any bracelets, but you just buy the clasp, one clasp, and then you buy the bracelets and they actually look quite nice because you use one clasp for like 2 or 3 bracelets, so they sit nicely together. I will show you in a minute how I can add other add-ons to these earrings. I can make from 2 pairs of earrings, 3 pairs or 4 pairs, depending how I mix and match them. Also, some earrings double up as necklaces, so you can put the studs through them or you can put them on a chain. Okay, back to the outfit. Next, earrings. And here you can see me putting on another pair of my everyday favorite earrings, the Ono. These are gorgeous. I always wear them with the Layla necklace, but they also do earrings like this, that type of evil eye. But I just love Ono so much. Look, you can already see that I can wear these two together. I will show you that in a minute. So Onos to me are very understated but still beautifully sparkly diamonds, and I feel like they go with my jeans, with my joggers, anything like that. So I wear probably Ono and Layla the most every day. So we've done the jewelry, now a scarf. Scarf is such a useful accessory because you can do so much with it. You can tie it different ways around your neck, which, you know, I've got a problem with. I'm still not sure how to tie them, but as you can see with this one, I just tie it anyhow, and it adds something to the outfit. You can tie them to your handbag, you can use it as a belt. There is so many things you can do with a scarf. You can put it in your hair, and then structured handbag. I feel like to elevate outfit, you need a handbag that is structured. So the one you see me wearing here is Polen bag. That bag still is sort of casual, but because it's structured, it gives it a bit more elegant. And here is your full outfit. So I do this with different color blazers. I just change maybe the color of the scarf or the shoes or the bag. Next, let's take this simple shared linen dress, and it's very pretty on its own and it looks straight away quite elegant, but with its self belt and just beige shoes, it looks a bit plain. So the next thing, we play with color accessories. So I have different color bags, different color shoes, and I feel like just injecting that into your plain outfit makes it look so much more interesting. So in here you see I've just put an orange belt on, orange shoes, and I can do 2 things. I can have orange handbag. You know, I like my matchy, but if that's too much for you, I could also use my straw bag and just tie this little scarf that is like in different orange shades. And for jewelry, for this dress, I'm wearing this. This is my favorite stack. So this is Layla. I told you about Layla. This is Lena and Jane. And I love wearing them just in this order, in this length, always. So if you ever see me wearing this stack, it will always be like that. I sometimes swap one of these maybe for my own necklaces, but if I wear them together, they are always in this order. And I am wearing my brand new earrings. They were gifted by Idyl. These are Gabrielle. I absolutely love these. On the website, they look like round hoops, but as you can see, they are more oval. Let me zoom you in. So the front of it is just gold and the back half is full of diamonds, and I have the stud. Now, you could wear them other way around. I could put it on this ear, and then the diamonds will be at the front and the gold at the back. Also, can you see this gap here? You can do it like this or have it like that. What does this do? So for example, if I don't have it bent, they sit a bit more to the front, but if I bend them and put the diamond bit behind, they are sitting sideways. Do you know what I mean? Okay, now let's play. So, I love this. I'm like a kid doing this. So, I have the Ono add-on and the Gabrielle. I am going to put first the stud through Ono, then through Gabrielle. Put that together into my ear. The butterfly. And I have a different earring now. I can also move Ono this way. How funky is that? So that's what I mean. You can make so many different variations. I also have Luna earrings. These are sort of oval hoops as well with diamonds at the front. Can you see at the bit here? This is so good because you can regulate how low or high they sit. So with these, I would put them behind. So I'm going to put the stud through Gabrielle first, put that in my ear, then I take Luna, I put them at the back. I know this is very difficult to see behind my ear. It can be a bit fiddly, but be patient because that just means that you've got your own design, no one else will have it. And look, now I have a double hoop. Isn't that great? I can also put this one a bit higher so it looks like it comes out from the actual... Oh, I like that. I might have to do the other one like this. So that's why I love the Idyl jewelry, for the versatility of it. This modular system is so good. I just love playing with them. And of course, sunglasses. Sunglasses also make the outfit. So I have lots of sunglasses for different outfits. So this is your finished, upgraded outfit just out of simple linen dress. Let's do the next outfit. I love monochromatic looks. I think that always elevates the outfit, makes it look a bit more intentional and styled. So let's take this pair of wide leg white jeans and just a simple black tank top and round toe ballet flats. That looks fine. Perfectly respectable outfit, but of course I need more. So I am adding this linen pinstripe blazer. I think I got it in H&M. It's a really lovely light blazer for this time of year. I am going to do the sleeve trick, of course. I'm going to add black belt, nice thin black belt, and this time I'm going to add hilt slingbacks to it. Then I'm going to wear my necklace stack from Idyl and Kaya earrings. I wear these an awful a lot as well. These are just beautiful. Again, you can decide how high you want them. This is so hard to show. Can you see that it's got a few holes so they can dangle a bit lower, or they can be really close to your earlobe. These are so gorgeous. The diamonds are a bit bigger on it, so they really show. I love these. I love them all. I wear them with different outfits and for different occasions, but I love them all. Okay, and now what's left is a structured black bag and black sunglasses. I think this is such a day to night outfit because I could be running errands in just that tank top, jeans and flat ballets, and then just chuck on blazer, small heel, nice bag, sunglasses, my jewelry, and I can go out. So it's like from office to the club. Not that I go to the office or a club, but you know what I mean. So hopefully that gave you a few ideas on how you can take a simple outfit and just tweak it slightly with all these different accessories to make them feel a bit more put together. Because honestly, it's not about having more clothes, buying new clothes, says me. But I have noticed that I seem to have very similar formulas for my outfits, and it makes me want to clear out my wardrobe, because I know that it's all about these small details that can make any simple outfit feel a bit more special and put together. And of course, jewelry always makes your outfits look finished. So if you liked any of the jewelry pieces, Idyl pieces that I've worn, I will leave them all in the description box together with my discount code. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.